Can you believe that I found motivation even while doing simplest acts of life? All I had to do was look around and observe. Other day I was cutting onions and it made me cry. I hated that part, don't you? The stinging eyes, the discomfort, the tears. I nearly stopped, yet I did not stop. That's because I knew that without them, my butter chicken wouldn't taste as good. Onions add flavor, depth, and richness to our meals. Life's decisions are just like cutting onions. Some of them are hard, uncomfortable, and yes, they may bring tears. But we take those actions because we're cooking something bigger, our future. It's easy to avoid the discomfort, to stay in our comfort zone and skip the hard choices. But without them, our life lacks the flavor of growth, success, and fulfillment. So, just because cutting onions makes us cry, we don't stop, do we? Then why stop taking the hard but necessary actions that lead to a fulfilling life? Next time you face a tough decision, remember the onion. Take the action, wipe the tears, and savor the results. Good luck finding your own life lessons doing simple acts. Like, share, and follow for more life lessons that cut through the noise.